Hello everyone, we are going to learn on how you can set your Instagram account to private, since some people prefer having their social media private or anonymous. Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can do that, and this Instagram feature is great because once turned on, nobody can download your posts or send them or view the things you post. So today you will learn how to do all that on Instagram. To do that, let's start by opening Instagram. After it's been opened, go on the top right corner, and simply click on the three dots. After you done, you can see all this results to choose from, so click on settings, and now that settings are open, you can see that we have so many Instagram tools to work with. So to set your account as private, simply click on privacy. So now that privacy is opened, you can see other entire new tools you can work with, such as posts, comments, and story. But to set our account as private, simply go on this top button which says private account, and if you do turn it on, that's when your account will be set to private. So simply turn it on, and now as you can see we have a final warning sign asking you if you sure you wish to set to private, so simply click on switch to private since you sure. So from today on nobody will download your post, send it, or even view what you post if they don't follow you. However, you might change your mind and want to change it back. That's simple and clear. All you have to do is go back. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. So if it did, make sure you subscribe.